Today we're going to learn how to draw a helicopter. Helicopters are fascinating machines with lots of interesting parts. So let's get started. First we'll start with the main body of the helicopter, called the fuselage. Draw a long horizontal oval in the center of your paper. This will be the main body of the helicopter. Now let's add the cockpit. At the front of the fuselage, draw a rounded shape. This will be the cockpit where the pilot sits. Now draw a circle. Next, let's add the tail boom. From the back of the fuselage, draw a long, straight line that extends outwards. At the end of this line, draw a small vertical line to create the tail rotor section. Now draw a rectangle. Helicopters have a main rotor on top that helps them fly. Draw a small circle at the top center of the fuselage. From this circle, draw two long, straight lines extending outwards to create the main rotor blades. You can add two more lines to make 4 blades in total. Now, let's add the landing skids. Draw 2 lines underneath the fuselage. Connect these lines with a curved line to create the skids. For those who want to add some color, you can use different shades of gray or green for a military helicopter or bright colors for a civilian one. Don't forget to color the windows. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!